Good day and welcome back, you guys. Today we have another video with us. This will relate the first session that we have over an Entra ID. The first section was users. So the user section, we will cover entire thing under users, what type of users we have, what are the audit logs, what is sign-in logs, what are the deleted user, how the user could be deleted, till how much time user will be retrieved, what is password reset, under user setting, what we can do over there, what are the result of bulk operations and all. So we will check this out in entire video. Moving forward on the agenda, already we have discussed what are the type of users, what is audit log, what is sign-in logs, what are the types of sign-in logs, what is deleted users, how user can be deleted or retrieved, what is password or SSPR. We have an entire video for SSPR, but it will be a basic one over there. How we can perform a bulk operations over there, some advanced insight that I have covered, and recent updates that we got from the Microsoft. So these all will be covered in this video. So for the types of users that we have in Entra ID, we have four types: member, guest, cloud only, and synced user. Member are the internal employees that we have created in Entra ID, or it could be syncing from our on-premises. Guests are the users which we have invited from any other IDP or any other tenant or any other Gmail, Facebook, or Outlook from their personal mails also. Cloud only users are that we have directly created on the cloud itself, and synced user are those users that we have synced from our on-premises AD towards the cloud. So these are the four types of user in the Entra ID. So now what is audit logs? So audit logs are the each and every activity that we are doing in the Entra. It will capture who did and what, with the followed by the when. For example, you have done any changes with user or anything you have done, so that will be followed up by the in the audit log itself. It will the fields that you can be added also. The fields will be activities initiated by target and correlation ID. These are the things that we have. You can edit those columns also. Audit log can be retained for 30 days. Basically, if you want to extend it, you need to keep it in the log analytics or any other tool that you have for a backup of those logs. So now we have sign-in logs. Sign-in logs just keep your record on the authentication steps that you have done or the authentication that you have attempted. It could be basically we have two types of sign-in logs. One is interactive sign-in logs, one is non-interactive. Interactive will keep your track whenever you will provide an user ID and password. And non-interactive sign-in logs are those logs that will take your pre-sessions that you have, and that according to that session it will pull the session cookies and tokens, and it will be provide your login itself. Okay, there also we have the key fields that you can see that can also be retained on 30 days for the trial account. For example, if you are having Microsoft Entra ID free trial account, then it will be remaining for only 7 days. But if you have an P1 or P2, then it will be remain for 30 days. After 30 days they will be vanished if you have not kept it in the log analytics or anywhere else. So now we have deleted users. So deleted users are the user that we delete from our Entra ID, that will go to a soft delete mode, and that is being got in our Entra ID. You can retain those before 30 days. Once the 30 days of timeline has been crossed, they will permanently delete it, and even Microsoft cannot help you on that. The portal restore preserves the object ID till 30 days. Third party restores may assign a new object ID, like we have a couple of application will keep your backup, but it will reassign the new object ID. So we will suggest you to restore before 30 days itself. Otherwise the user will have a new object ID with it. Now we have password reset or SSPR on the other hand that we says. So SSPR is the full form of that is self-service password reset, that enables an service, you can say, that particular user may go on the portal of the Microsoft aka.ms/SSPR. He can be able to reset their password from that. Admin can set authentication method with the requirement itself. They can set accordingly. If they want to use SMS, they want to use multi-factor authentication, so whatever they need to for the MFA itself. And in the event and audit logs, we can be able to find that particular SSPR settings and all, and what if the user has reset their password, then we have the log that will be generated. And at the last, we can be able to ask user to reset their password by their own. That is the best thing, that we does not need to interfere our help desk or the admins need to reset the password again and again. After that, we have a bulk operation. Like for bulk operation, we can do a multiple operation with the bulk. We can download the user. We can create the user with bulk operation. We can invite bulk users with that particular application, and we can delete also bulk operation. Bulk operation will help us to do some reduce our manual steps. Like we need to create any of the user, we need to create 50 users, then we can go with PowerShell script also, or something that has been there in the portal, that is bulk create. You need to just fill one Excel sheet which is already been given in the lab. We will check it out, and after that you can be able to complete that. If any failures occurs, you can see we in the below image we have a bulk operations result that has been there, right? Under that result you can be able to find why the error has been there and what is the progress of your bulk operation. Now we have advanced insights. So we have the guest account restrictions. You can see what will be the access to the guest accounts, who can invite the guest users and all that kind of settings we can be able to cross check with the same. After that, we have Entra Connect Sync application based authentication that has been recently provided by the Microsoft itself, which is ABA. Privileged identity management roles are there, PIM that we says. And after that, we have such a service principal managed identities that we can be able to use with our any of the resources that you want. And cross-reference audit and sign logs, like when we are doing a cross-tenant sync or we are inviting the user with the help of cross-tenant, we have the audits and sign logs in the source tenant also, or in the target tenant also. Both way we can be able to find that. Now we have wrap up. So we have checked the user section, how we can be able to create the user, what are the types of users we have understand the audit and sign logs in the theory base, what are deleted user, how much time it will be there in the Entra ID, what is the restoration time that we can have. After that, we have a bulk operation process that we have, and at last we have checked some of the updates that is provided by the Microsoft. In the next video, we will check how we can create the user, how to update bulk user, and how we can restore the deleted user that we have checked it out, right? So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more updates. Continue on this our course. We will be providing you the best knowledge that we have. Take care. Bye bye for the day.